In the right angle triangle POR shown below, sine R equals, we have four options here. The first one is sine P, the next one is cos P, the third one is tan P, and the fourth one is cos R. To solve this, we will first find sine R, and then after that we will find each one of these. So we will find sine P, cos P, tan P, and cos R. Then we will pick the one that is the same as sine R. So let's first find sine R. We have R here. Considering this right angle triangle, PR is the hypotenuse because it is the longest side, and also it is the side facing the 90 degrees angle. So PR is the hypotenuse. Considering angle R, the side OP is opposite and the side OR is adjacent. So if you want to find sine R, we know that sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. When we consider R, OP is opposite and PR is the hypotenuse. So sine R is equal to the opposite side, which is OP, divided by the hypotenuse, which is PR. Now, let's find the same for all the options here. Let's consider the first one, which is sine P. If we consider the angle P, OR is opposite to P. PR is still the hypotenuse. We know that sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sine P will be equal to the opposite, which is OR, divided by the hypotenuse, which is PR. Let's consider cos P. If we consider the angle P, OP is adjacent. PR is the hypotenuse. We know that cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos P will be equal to the adjacent side, which is OP, divided by the hypotenuse, which is PR. Let's look at the third one, which is tan P. If we consider P, OR is opposite to P and OP is adjacent to P. We know that tan is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So tan P will be equal to the opposite side, which is OR, divided by the adjacent side, which is OP. The last one is cos R. If we consider R, OR is the adjacent side, PR is the hypotenuse. We know that cos is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos R will be equal to the adjacent side, which is OR, divided by the hypotenuse, which is PR. So you have been able to find sine P, cos P, tan P, and cos R. We will have to compare it and see which one is the same as sine R. We have sine R to be OP divided by PR. When we look through the options we have here, we can see that it is cos P that is the same as sine R, because cos P is also OP divided by PR. It means that in this right angle triangle, sine R is equal to cos P. So the correct option is B.